Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty and you are watching Beauty ICS TV. Yes, so guys, thank you also so much for your love, for your support, for always being there for me, for always coming to watch my cooking and my live stream and all. Thank you also so much. I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Guys, on this video we are going to be doing unboxing. Yes, so guys, before this video go, there's another video I just did about someone flagging my video. Yes, it has been a problem for the past 1 month. Yes, to me, most of you guys see me because I normally upload video 3 times in a week, which is a Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Sometimes on Sunday when I have the chance, I do some live stream. But for some time now, my schedule have changed due to the flagging, because anytime just drop a video on YouTube, my YouTube studio, the next thing is I will just get automatic message. It's copyright. It's not only this channel they are doing it, they're also doing it on my other channel. So that is why I give a sound warning to the person that is doing it. If anybody is flagging my video, please stop doing it, okay? Stop doing it, because YouTube is not easy. I cannot go and work Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday that I have to, do 1 or 2 things. I will like to put 1 or 2 things out there, so YouTube will tell me it's copyright. It's not funny. If you know you are the one doing it, stop doing it. Yes, that is by the way. On this video, guys, we are going to be unboxing one of kitchen tools. Yes, so because anything I unbox, they have to be related with kitchen, because here I do cooking. So anything I'm going to unbox here need to be related to kitchen. Yes, that is what we are going to be unboxing today. So this is it, guys. Yes, this is measuring jug. Yes, it's what we are going to be unboxing today. Yes, it's just like a scale. Guys, they brought this hat from for lady for the past last week. I got the notification, got the paper, so I'll be watching it. I say, oh, though I do have a scale, and this one is a little bit better. We're just talking to myself, buying this instead of putting a scale, putting something on top of the scale, weighing it. This one is just better. Just the cup, put everything inside and just on it. It's more easier, more workable. I said, okay, let me get one since it's not that costly, very cheap. So that is why I got this yesterday, and we are going to be unboxing it together. Yes, so let's do that together, guys. Let's do it together. So this is it. This is how it looks. Yeah. I'm going to try to open it. This is the manual that came with it. So we have different language, and this is the jug. So this is it. So over here is a flour mill. It's up to 1.5 kg you can just put in there. While here is cups. I mean, maybe you want 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup, 4 cup, 5 cup, 6 cup, and all. Even when you need a half cup or 3/4 cup, every measurement is here. While here is for me and everything. So after putting it inside, what you need to do, so you can also use it to measure oils. Look at here, over it. I don't know if you guys can see it very clear. Here is oil and here is flour. So over here we have water and we also have milk. So you can use it for these 4 things. You can use it to measure oil, flour, water and milk. So after adding everything to it, what you need to do is just to on it. You just on it here. I think it came with battery here. You just on it. So, and it will be on and tell you how many kg, if it's 300 gram, 200 gram and up. So yeah. Okay, this is the battery over here. so it's not positioned yet. I need to put it myself. So I need to open it with a screw. Then after I've opened it, then I can just put it directly. So it's going to start working. So this is going to make it very faster, because my teenage daughter loves to bake. She loves to bake a lot. So that is why you see me sometimes dropping 1 or 2 baking recipe. Yes, because she loves baking. Yes, she loves baking a lot. So that is it for this video, guys. If you have watched up to this extent, I say may the good Lord bless you all. See you all on my next video. Until then, you guys are going to see me using it on one of my videos. Until then, guys, remain blessed and bye bye.